Okay, YouTubers, and today, where are we in? Carbon County or Schuylkill County? I think we're in both. And as you can see, I'm with RJ78 Productions. I invited him to come along. We were bored, we had nothing to do. Today's election day, we did our voting, we had the day off. Oh, let's go hiking. Where are we at now? Place we're going, which is very, very hard to walk up. I just got done telling him I drove my Jeep up here looking for my wallet one day. One day I went up here. And yeah, very rocky road. Now we're gonna check out the bake oven knob. And I wanna show him a little feature of this. I don't think not too many people know of. And I haven't been up here in God knows about 12 years. And I just wanted to see how bad this graffiti got for myself. So, along with RJ, I also brought my wife, just in case something happens. She can go get help. Or flag down the airplane. All right, until we get up to our spot, I'll see you then. Okay, you're almost at the top. That's a hoof and a half up here. Now, from what I gathered off the internet, this used to be like a bus stop for the Appalacian Trail. Whew, haven't done this in a while. And
you mean we could have taken a bus up here?
I wish. I drove my Jeep up here once. Yeah. Well, that part looks nice. Let me get around my way.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it was nice since the last I saw it. Last I saw it, it wasn't colored. It was just black and white. But over here, I think a cabin, or like a, what they call a shelter that was built up here. And you can see something industrial was up here. And then, yeah, there's like a shelter. You come up here, and I'm not certain. Quote me if I'm, correct me if I'm wrong. And take a look at my wife. She's over there at the lookout. Now this is the north lookout. It's looking up towards the Schuylkill County side, or I think we're in Carbon County. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, there's graffiti here. Now, some of the graffiti is not bad looking, but really, it's not natural. So, it doesn't fit this picture, but if you just get a shot of this without the rocks, beautiful. Let's see if I can get a closer image of this. Yeah, I think that's Carbon County. And over to your right would be Lehigh. Up on that mountain there would be Jim Thorpe. I'm not sure, but I think that's Mount Jefferson. There's two mountains here. There's one in front of the other. The one in the back, I think, is Mount Jefferson. The one in the front, it slips my mind. I'll have to look it up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. Yeah, some of the graffiti up here does look nice. They did a nice. This rock was always painted. And it always said the knob or bake oven knob. As long as you do a nice artistic approach to graffiti, but it's not always welcome like when you see up here soon.
Fire.
Ah, a little fire pit. Yeah, I have seen people camp up here. Wow, and you're getting started to look, that's looking down the Lehigh Valley. Let's go over this way, and you gotta watch your step because one, you can break a leg if you're lucky. Two, you have in the summertime snakes, and well, I've encountered a lot of problems with yellow jackets this year. But look at this view, awesome. Now you gotta watch. every view has its price. Ooh. It's a long way down. And we're gonna move over there, hun, at that house.
There you go.
See if I can zoom in a little better.
There's a look at the Lehigh County side. Again, much nicer without the haze that I had last time.
Now I think right down there, between those two white buildings, that's an airport.
Okay.
So 577 Jersey, you want to get a view of this, there's an airport for you. Bring your butt fan and your parachute. There's some spots you don't really see too much. Now pardon if I put any graffiti that's obscene, but if you go up this rock, oh boy, down, down, down. You zoom out, you can see that's a straight drop down. Just be careful, RJ. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. And that's looking south. And we're not the only ones up here. It's a beautiful shot. And the direction I'm pointing my camera now, if you kept following this trail, you'd end up towards Hawk Mountain. Probably take you a good day to get there from here on foot. But yeah, we just came from over in that direction looking at that view. And you can see some of the mountain ridge over there. Very, very beautiful. Alright, and there's a good shot. You can see way over past Lehigh. And I thought I saw 476 way, way off in the distance over here. It would be, I know I got trees in my way. That's the only thing. Trees, they're flourishing, they're doing good this year, but they get in your way sometimes. If you see that line, turn the camera right there on top of my finger. That's the Pennsylvania Turnpike, 476. So it gives you a good perspective of the view we got up here. Somewhere in that vicinity is Allentown. And if you look way over there, that's RJ's house, way over there. See it? You left your lights on.
Yeah, well, you know.
And we got company with us. People bring their pets for a walk up here, which is good. There's one coming around the corner now. There he is. Oh, you have two of them. And there's people going down that way with their dogs. I guess their dogs aren't friendly. Oh well. Alright, and you got a couple shots up here. And come on, show you what we really came up here to see. Okay, I want to show you this. If I can remember how to get down here. It's been, oh, like I said, over 12 years since I've been down this way. Oh, you can wait up here if you want, hon. And another shot, nice beautiful view. Yeah, it's starting to look like graffiti highway up here. Except, yeah, this isn't a highway. This is, I guess basically it'd be considered a park up here. I'll try not to, hon.
Yeah, see, I did come down here.
You did?
Time, yeah.
Okay.
Because I got down to that tree right there.
Okay, well it's right in there.
I probably did see it, just didn't pay
Maybe,
attention.
it's been a while. I gotta refresh my memory. Alright, I gotta turn this camera off, or you're gonna see some footage you don't want to see. Yeah, it came down to this.
Smaller ones right there.
Now, if I remember right, there's a... I might not be in the right spot, but this is impressive enough. This is leaning probably at like a 45-degree angle towards us. And my wife's up there somewhere.
Very sketchy.
Yeah.
Looking at the same time.
But I remember a little tiny rock like those wedged under a big rock like that and another big rock, and that was it. I don't know if this is it or not. Well, let's just scout around while we're down here. Another shot at what we were looking at. If you see where the C and the A is on that rock, you see they're all stacked up, and I remember seeing a real tiny rock here, and I don't think I'm in the exact right location. We might have to go over to that rock pile.
That's one here. The plastic bottle we stepped on is creaking.
Oh yeah, we got your litter. Look, if you see where I'm standing here, you don't watch your step. Oh boy, you're in for one hell of a sleigh ride. Without snow even. But yeah, it's impressive. It's all, I guess when the glaciers came through and the ice age, it pushed all these rocks up like this. Sweet. Yeah, we just traversed way up there is where we started and walked down, if you call this a path, and yeah. Playing mountain goat. I don't see that rock that looks like a platform that sticks out. Better be careful. Yeah, you okay?
Yeah.
Just do not fall. And kids, don't try this at home. Go to a friend's house. Just kidding. Don't try this at all. Yeah. Yeah, I think what we were looking for was up top. Huh. Unless this all changed in 12 years. Probably find some caves in here, but nothing we can fit in.
I know some of my viewers right now are in like panic mode because I'm out here, so
Yeah,
I'm good. I'm okay. Don't need to panic. We're good. We're safe. Yeah.
See.
When I was here last, I was talking to a guy who was monitoring them, and he said that these all fly along this range, and this goes right to Hawk Mountain too.
Mm-hmm.
That was in my other video.
Yeah. Hey. Trying to find.
Pretty interesting over there. It's like
We could look over there. As I remember a rock sticking out, and it looked like a walkway going out. Sort of like this, but more pronounced outward.
Right. Down there.
But like you said, things change over the years. It might be over there. It could be wrong.
Alright, grab you guys. Show you the hawks flying around over here. You can really see them when they're flying over the field like that. They kind of. I should know because I had to clean them all up yesterday. It was not fun.
You want to try over there then? Where do you see a frisbee?
That brown yellow thing right up there.
Yeah, it is. Let me see if I can get it without falling or losing my tripod. That's a neat shot. I can see my wife and you.
Nice wide angle.
Yeah. Wow. I don't see that hawk anymore. Huh.
There's coal crackers on top of a giant boulder on the wall. Are you supposed to be in a coal mine somewhere?
I got lost.
No.
I got lost.
He made a wrong turn. He came up the vent.
The vent shaft. Yeah, I found the vent. Yeah, right here. Wow. Oh, I see. This is like there's just a boulder field over here.
The road there. Going across over to here now.
Yeah. Yeah, it drops off there, but then over there it's level. I always say, looking, there's a loose rock here. So we'll put that one back. I think this was broke. Oh, I see. Someone broke this rock. See how that goes back together? Aha! This has to be it. It was broken, RJ. Someone was trying to mess with nature big time. As you can see, I'm underneath this slab, and I can walk all the way through it. And yeah, this has to be it, RJ.
Checks in the mail.
Right there's a good shot of what I'm talking about. There's not much holding this mountain up but gravity.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And I just put this back in place.
So that is broken.
So someone broke this, or the pressure, but that one, I shouldn't be doing that while I'm in here.
Yeah, no, not a good idea.
But you can walk actually right through this. Yeah, this is it.
Polio.
And then turn around and go around another one. Oh, yeah, it just goes around and ends. And then it goes down, down, down. And I left RJ back that way somewhere.
This one doesn't move.
I gotta find him. Gotta put yous down. I see you. Too old for this shit. Hey, you're the king. There's a crown above your head.
A crown? Oh, nice.
It has a J, I don't see an R. And then
Okay.
yes.
Of all the dumbest things I've ever done, this probably isn't one of them yet.
Just watch you don't.
Woo! Yeah, no, that would not be fun.
Yeah. But yeah, if you look inside out, you'll see that rock I was talking about.
Alright.
Yeah.
The mind is what kills. When will I be good enough?
Well, he's reading some of the graffiti. This is one hell of a Jenga game. Jenga, anybody? I'll take that piece right there. Look at how it's cracked. You can see the pressure that's being put on these rocks. Because I don't know if anyone's strong enough to bust that by hand or even bring a sledgehammer down and bust that. Let me zoom in a little bit. But yeah. That is not.
Oh wow.
It's gonna be there a while. You got cut glass.
No, just a scrape.
Okay, there's glass on that rock over there I see too.
Oh, look at this. Did you see these?
A little more in there. Yeah, some more baby rocks.
Wow.
Giving birth?
Yeah. Those are, well, that one moves a little bit. Yeah, those are all under pressure.
And everything's just right above you, stacked.
Yeah.
Stacked, stacked, stacked. You can see the cracks in the rock. I think even this tree is just wedged in there.
It's just hanging on for dear life.
And then you can see over here. Oh, wow. I'll zoom out a little bit. So.
And here. My light.
Yeah, that's nice.
There we go. Use the old backup streamlight.
I'm sure there's tons of caves here.
No,
There's
not sponsored.
tons of caves in here. Just got to get to them.
Yeah, right.
You can go right through that way too. Okay, we came in from up there. We're gonna go in back. Another little passageway here. Oh, that's a neat shot right there.
We call them mountain fries.
Mountain fries.
Mountain fries. There you go.
Oh!
Yeah.
The doctor said cough.
You got to turn your head. You forgot that part.
Oh yeah, sorry. Beautiful when the sun's starting to set up here. That light really brings out the color of the paint. Unfortunately, that's what it is. It's paint. Yeah.
Paint.
Yeah. Beautiful. And we got company with us.
Nick.
And just so I can show you, we were just down there. I can't really see. But down in there we are. Scaling that, what's like a rock wall and a ledge. Beautiful.
What's your hair? The long hair. You turn on inside out. I'm dragging it. You used to go hunting the other day. You can't go hunting anymore.
Doesn't match.
It doesn't matter. You're supposed to wear orange.
You're with us. You're safe. Oh. My bloodhound RJ just found a trail.
Markers and everything.
Oh. Yeah, there's a marker down there. Is that a little orange tag on the tree?
Somebody has this mark. Probably goes to somebody's backyard.
For hunting, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh well. We gotta get up there before the sun sets to get good pictures. As you can see, it's starting to set already. Yeah, look at this. It's like almost like a raised railroad. I don't know.
Oh, we'll see when we get up there.
Yeah. Just looking on top of that, we were down there. I don't know. I'm panning over.
So we're heading to, what is it, Bear Rock?
The Bear Rocks, yep.
We're heading to the Bear Rocks, which is on the other side of where the parking lot is for the knob. Take out the knob.
He just said Biden was there. I don't know if you could see it on camera. I'll kind of scoot down a little bit. There's like a small depression in the ground here. Just over that, where we saw that berm over there. It looked like a man-made road. They could have been, I don't know if they were, I know up in Hawk Mountain they were harvesting sand and sending it down a tramway from up there. I don't know what they would have been getting here besides rock and wood. But almost there. I think I see it up ahead.
Okay, going through it.
It's
Carbon County.
1967.
And
Yeah.
I was born yet.
Carbon County, East Penn Township.
and this says Gangland too.
Yeah.
1960.
67.
I was born yet.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Okay. After all the walking and all these rocks, as you see, the trail got really bad. We came to it. Here's the beginning of the Bear Rock. Now I know it's hard to see what we're looking at, but picture the bake oven knob just away from the edge of the mountain now. Now, there are markers on here, I guess, like trails. But yeah, look at that. There's the Bear Rocks. Now, this is only the beginning of it. And yeah, look at that sunset over there. That's going to be beautiful. It's another reason I wanted to come up here to get a picture of this sunset. But we got to get up this first. There's a path. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I am zoomed in already. So, yeah. And this is only the south end of it. Up here's the spot I said looks like a castle. Let me turn this off so I can balance myself on these treacherous rocks. And if you look, yeah, we're still on the Appalacian Trail. It's just, yeah, Appalachian Rock Trail. Appalachian Trail continues that way. We're going to take a little detour through here. I'll lead the way. There's something. Let's get a closer look at these rocks. You all right? Now, if you ever wanted to know where Bigfoot really lives, this is where I would be if I were Bigfoot.
Cliff, you here?
I think he was here once. Yeah, look at this, all these caves. Beautiful.
Well, if you did the bake oven knob, I guarantee you
He was here, yeah. Alright, we gotta get around. Gotta watch for shoe-sized holes in the rocks. They'll eat you. Oops. This is why I bring her along. Nothing, hon. I love you. Yeah. Oh, take the path. It's right over there to your right. Your left. Your left.
We're trying to pass the least resistance, and it's causing more resistance.
I think it's the wrong one. But
I'm following the guy in orange. It's probably a mistake.
watch the sticks don't hit you. Again, haven't been here in a good at least a decade.
What's that?
I said I haven't been here in at least a decade.
No.
Beautiful, and then yeah, that's what we came. That's the pinnacle over there, or not the pinnacle, but it's the highlight of this journey, getting that sunset. And as you can see, we're back on the rocks again. Except these rocks aren't next to a cliff, they are the cliff.
Oh, terra firma.
Let me get up here and I'll get back to you. Hey YouTubers, you've seen enough rock. As you can see, we're getting a beautiful view. And I'll pan west and you'll see what. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is worth all the effort coming up here. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, if we wait long enough, that sun will get like a deep red. Because we're up high enough and we're right along the tops of the mountains.
Orange guy in the shop there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting in RJ's way. Look at that view. So we can zoom in a little bit. Now right down there in the middle of the screen, that's the town, little town of Andrews. And then over there, that's the rock quarry. That's in Andrews. And if you look way, way, way off in the distance, way up the top of that last mountain, you'll see the windmills that go from Monterey City to Centralia. I don't know if I have to reset my camera to a different setting to get that zoomed in. Now you can see them. Very, very slightly. Right where the brown meets what I call the blue. Oh, that sky looks gorgeous. You can see, and they're starting to fade out. It's grainy, I know. But then when you zoom out, just an awesome, awesome spectacle. Yeah, see, my wife's ahead of me. Just be careful. Make sure it's solid you're stepping on. Oh, yeah, it goes up here. Yeah, I think we're going to be turning this into a night hike.
What?
This will be a night hike. The sun, there's a little bit of clouds. Oh, excuse me. A little bit of clouds on the sun, but yeah, it just makes a beautiful color in the sky. I lost RJ. Marco! Oh, there you are. You blend in with the trees. There he is. Yeah. Nice little flat area in the rocks. In the rocks. I'm just checking out the view up there. Beautiful scenery.
Ah,
What's the matter, Hunt?
what's killing me?
New boots. There's some caves around here. I think I found the first one. Sweet. Nice little, oh wow, that does go down. And I got my trusty flashlight out.
You found a home.
I did. Oh wow, that does go in.
Oh boy. Where's play?
Yeah, wow. It's small.
Split for JP.
Okay, YouTubers, let's go see. I'm gonna take a peek in here quick.
I'll show you my redneck mechanic light rig.
It's tight.
Like I've never heard that before.
Oh wow, that goes back a good 15 feet.
It looks like it goes further than that.
There you back so you can see him.
Alright, I'm gonna turn you around and give you an idea of what he's in.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, see now he's stuck. It's tight. It's tight.
Watch for snakes.
You can see over my shoulder?
Yep, a little bit.
Where's
Enough.
he at?
So, all right.
Nah, I think we need something a little bigger to live in.
Yeah, that definitely.
Uh-oh.
Whoop. The light.
All right. No, it's not the light. It's just.
Got stuck again.
All right. This isn't here before.
There he gets stuck.
I'm gonna give you guys a good view of my good side again.
He's got stuff.
My camera's up there. Yeah, it's still rolling.
That's why I don't go up there.
Ah. Not bad. You can clean it out here in front a little bit. Probably make something like those rocks probably 50 pounds. The small ones. Oh, made it out. Oh!
Whoa!
As so you know, we were down in that. I just climbed up here just to get another beautiful shot. Look at that. Beautiful.
Don't fall.
Famous last words. Yeah, see even here, like it'd be neat to fly the drone over that, but you know what? Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna stop you guys here. I'm gonna see if I can get the drone up in the air and get me some cool shots of that, because that is just incredible. All right, so stay tuned. We'll be back.
You know, an outside light up here? Yeah. He's got it going. Now you get some nice shots. Alright, I get to see what he has in. Just to show you what he's seeing on his, that's the drone for his little glare. But
We're about 150, going almost 200 feet up now.
wow, beautiful picture.
Now we're at 200 feet. So I can actually
I
pan.
don't even see it up there.
Well, at least I can hear it. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
So we can turn.
You see, he's got a picture of that. As he turns.
It'll show, this is just a lower quality on the phone, but it'll show better in the video, the actual video.
I don't even see, oh, I see it.
Yeah, go straight up.
Barely,
There it is.
barely see it. I don't know if you can see it. Way up there, you'll see a blinking green light, maybe. Oh, as my hat falls off.
So now we're looking back towards the turnpike right now.
Oh, wow. That's a view.
Yeah. So the knob is actually back that way.
Yeah. Actually, it seems darker up here than what appears to be on the camera.
Yeah. Now we should be back. Yep. Back that way.
Nice. Those clouds look cool over in the distance.
Yeah, they do.
Gotta get me one of those.
He's looking down at us.
Cool. Even when the sunset goes down, it's an awesome spectacle. The mountains actually turn like a bluish color, and that's probably why they gave this mountain the name the Blue Mountain. But if you look off in the distance, so all the other mountains look kind of blue. Sound like a bunch of mad bees.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, I'm just following my wife. And I got up on top of this. Oh wow, look at that. Now we came up from that way down there. Get my light on. Yeah, from way down there we were. Yeah, it is a nice drop. Yeah, it's a straight drop off here, all right.
I called that.
Still trying to find that place I'm calling the room.
Yeah.
It's around here somewhere. You can see it from up here, but I don't see it yet. No, we'll take the easy way. This way's the easy way, right, hon? And just watch.
Follow the boss.
Watch the holes. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, it is getting a little chilly out. Yeah, you can just walk right on the edge of these and look down.
If you're not careful, right off the edge of them.
No, you don't want to do that. 'Cause there's the bottom down there.
This is only the second time I've videoed with you, so I don't want it to be the last.
Oh no, neither do I. And
What grass? There's a tractor up here.
that'd be a YouTube video.
Yeah, right.
How not to use your lawnmower.
Airdrop it in.
Oh jeez. Got a little new grown forest up here.
Be like, how the hell did you get that up there?
Ah, look at
Repo chopper.
that. Ah, there we go. Now you can see the quarry.
You can't go over there?
That drops off over there too.
Oh, because is that why you can't go over there?
You can, but it just.
Oh.
Yeah, you're in Bigfoot's house now. There's all kinds of caves and crevices.
Wow.
You just gotta look. And like I said, I've been up here, and every time I come up here, I always see something different. This way, yeah, up on top and down. There's a nice shot of the drop. Now this is looking north. The other way we're looking south. Wow. That's just looking straight down. Yeah, and they said when you come up here, it might be daylight. That is a beautiful, beautiful sunset. It gets dark because of the trees. It's like daylight 1 minute, poof, that quick. It's dark. You can see over there. Nice. You look good, hon. Trees are attacking my wife. You can go out there and look. There's a window.
Drop off, isn't it?
Yeah, it drops off there, but it's like a little window. And you can see how the rocks are just stacked on top of one another. And I'm gonna have to use my flashlight pretty much. As you can walk between them. There's RJ up there. Just scouting around.
It's dark.
It is dark. There's all kinds. Hi, hon. Hi, RJ. I said it's all hollowed, stacked rock. But if you look, I'm shining my light. I'm trying to shine my light. I might have to turn the light on the phone here. You see, it's still daylight. Good. Let's go down this way. It's a little hairy.
I can't put the rock.
You see all right? Let me put my camera down. Yeah, we're just up there looking down at the wrong way. Yeah, we'll get down. Yeah, the sky's turning pink now. Oh man.
I can just step on.
Yeah, that was nice. Sunshine going through the trees.
These all fucking rock.
Hon.
Oh, sorry.
Don't be mean to the rocks. Hey, RJ just climbed out a. There's a neat little cave here. Oh, sweet. Wow, it does go back.
Yeah, it's could make for a good shelter.
Yeah. All right, can we spend the night? Oh, wow. I never saw this before.
You wouldn't be sleeping in it.
Oh, this is perfect. Hon, I'm moving in here.
I'm going home.
Look at that. Inside the mountain. I didn't know crate. Ah, here's some mud wasp nests here. Mud wasp nests. I don't see anything else. Sorry if I'm blinding these with the light. It's a little hard to see in here. There's looking toward the back. Wow. Yeah, this is open. I'm open up pretty good. You can see looking out. It's daylight out there. It's looking out. Cool. Well, I thought it was down in the beginning there, down at the face. Alright, I gotta shut these off so I can get out.
Let's get out of here.
I know, hold on. I'm just looking around here. It's getting hard to see, but there is a nice overhang. Yeah, there's still a little bit of daylight left. Not much. And you see RJ over there. Let's see if I can scare him. That was me.
No, I heard somebody out.
You just gotta walk down this.
Are we going to walk down here?
Well, that's where the path is down here. Uh-oh. We might be stuck on the rocks tonight. Yeah, right down here.
Where?
Right down here. Easy peasy. Just watch your step. Yeah, we gotta get down. Yeah, down there. You see down there where I'm pointing? And of course you can. It's dark out. It's turned into a night hike.
There's rocks here.
Oh, is that what they call them? Yeah.
There's more important things than camera at times.
Yeah.
Like seeing where you're going.
My flashlight is just about dead.
Walk in the dark. You're not on the rock.
It just gets easier from here. It just gets easier from here. Yeah, RJ's light you can see better. Oh shit, now I can't. I got light.
There, hold on a second.
There, now I can see.
You can see now.
Now I see Bigfoot.
Wait, the moon.
Boy, that's an eerie walk. Here, you look. Yeah, it got dark out quick.
Got dark quick.
Yeah, they say it does up here. You okay, RJ? Yeah, just gonna walk. Yes, you're probably like thinking, this is not a path you're on. Oh, yes, it is. This is the Appalacian Trail. The infamous Appalacian Trail. You see the Blake blaze mark? So we're on the right path. Alright, now we get back to the car. There's not much really to see here but us walking in the dark. And we get back to the car. I'll see you then. Unless we trip and fall, something happens real bad. It's spooky in here in the woods. Ah! I wonder if there's any people walking around and they're like, who the hell is up here at this time of night?
Crazy people.
Yeah, you know what? We'd be thinking the same thing about them too.
Yeah.
They're crazy too.
Darkness. Lovely darkness. Well, we made it.
Yeah, all the decorations are out now.
Yeah.
My battery's that dead. I don't know if you can see me in here. Now you can. Alright. As for me, got RJ, got my wife. We made it back to the car. Sorry we had to walk in the dark. Couldn't see anything really to show you, but the darkness. So, alright. And again, subscribe to my channel. Please like my channel or like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you at the next adventure.
Don't forget to check out mine.
And please Please check out RJ78 Productions video of this. You got some drone footage. I gotta see that.
Yeah.
That's gonna be awesome. All right, until our next adventure, wherever that might be, we'll see you then.